Good morning, guys. Yep. Well, I got here yesterday late afternoon. Started filming like you'll see in a second here. But I just want to show you. I got a nice shirt from Two Old People on a Couch. Two Old People on a Couch. If you haven't seen them, go ahead and see them. Mark, I'm going to be wearing this today. I wore it last night too when I first got here. And today, I'm not feeling it. So hope it's not too much of a nuts balls day. So that's nuts balls. I slept well, but not feeling it. You got to work to get that dirt. I got my dirt and I got to work on it. Make it nice and livable, comfortable. I think that's what it's livable now. Now it's just adding comfort, little things here and there, which is ongoing. And I knew that's what it was going to be. Nice quiet morning. Birds are flying and chirping. So today we're going to continue on. Continue on with the toolbox thingamajig that I'm building. It's all up here. When you're off grid, you don't need blueprints. Right, Chad? 9 to 5 to life. That was funny. So Mark, I'll be wearing my shirt. I'll be wearing the shirt today, and pretty often. It's nice and soft. So, Two Old People on a Couch. Go ahead and check them out. They're a very fun couple. Can't wait to see them again at the meetup. And so, stick with me and enjoy the show.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5, happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, 'cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I can.
All right, guys. Well, it's starting to look pretty solid. It was a little felt flimsy when I just did the framing, as you did last night. So right here is going to be the door. You'll see that in a minute. This is where all my solar connection is going to be. This is where all my tools are going to go. So it's 22, ends up being 22 by 32 in here, and then a lot in here. So keep on watching. There's more.
Everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, and you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life.
All right, guys. Well, as you just saw, I'm done my toolbox. A nice size box, actually. So, and then, like you saw, got the door done. The latch. I'm gonna put a locking latch out here. The one I got is actually a little too small to wrap around. And then I forgot to get the locking latch for here, which I'm gonna pin up right here and then down here. So it's gonna be screwed from the inside and then lock right here. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a coat of paint just to protect it on the outside. Eventually I'm gonna wrap it with tin, but right now I'm just gonna give it a good coat of paint, of exterior paint. So stick around, there's more. There's my door. I'm not gonna paint that side. I just painted the base on the inside just because I'm gonna be laying things down on it. I won't be laying on it. Laying things down in there. I got 2 coats on the outside, 1 coat on the inside on certain spots. And that's what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna put my tools in here, solar at the other end. And that's why I made a door right here, slide the batteries in and out easier, and then have my inverter, my charge controller, inverter, batteries, and associated tools, my extension for the solar panels. And look what we got over here, right there, that black spot. Yeah, that's one of 3 cows I was hanging around eating. It's open range in Arizona, and I'm not gonna fence them off my property to keep away cows or animals that actually belong out here. So I'm just building amongst them. So yeah, I might paint that off before I go, just to give it a coat of paint. And I'm pretty happy with it. So thanks for sticking with me, and got a few things on my mind. I've been looking up a few things, and I'll share it with you on the next video. Just need to do some confirmation and everything first. So yeah, there's my outdoor toolbox. Next week I'm going to come in with a lock latch and some locks, and I'm moving my stuff in there, so stick with me. Hey again, guys. Well, I'm sitting in my favorite spot in the shade. I need the trees. It's a nice day, perfect day, feels good. A little breeze here and there. Got cattle on the other side where I was working. I'm working, painting away, and I hear moo. I look back. Oh, look at that. Some cows eating off the trees, a couple of them. So anyway, some intruders. I painted my box because I know painting OSB is not recommended or best for anything, but I'm covering it, giving it some protection for the little rain we might get. I'll be covering it with tin. So, and then the outside and the top is going to be tin. I just have to figure out how to make that joint. And I appreciate you guys watching. Yes, the paint is just a temporary cover-up to protect the OSB board. It's pretty solid. It's 3/4 inch. So I'm gonna get the latches next week and lock it up, move my tools in. So thank you for watching. A little breeze here, like I said, a little breezy, but then it stops and comes back. So thanks for watching, and until next time, ciao.